Hello, welcome to Radix Accounting. Today, in this video, we will learn how to set up CRA direct deposit in your RBC Bank phone app to get your tax refund or any other payment directly deposited into your bank account. Are you ready? Let's start. First, sign into your bank account. Click on More. Click on Settings. Click on CRA Direct Deposit. Scroll down the page. If you have multiple accounts, you can select any one you want to use for direct deposit. After selecting account, click on Next. Now, enter your social insurance number and click Next. Here, check your details. And scroll down the page. Click in the square box to agree with the terms and click on Agree and Send button. Congratulations! You have completed the process successfully. Now, you will receive all the payment from CRA directly deposited into your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website and our social media profiles to watch more videos like this.